Danielle Conlon. I am recording the lesson for learning to use quick start fields on page 61. So here is my Access software, and we need to open for this lesson, we need to open the Garden Shop 1 database. So I'm going to go into File, and I'm going to click on Open. I'm going to go to Browse. Click on Documents, and then One Stout, that's where I have all of my class files, and ICT 255, student data files, and I need the Garden Shop 1 data sheet. So we're going to click on that one to open that up. Alright, so here we are, we have it open, and then the first thing that we have to do within the exercise is click on the Create tab in the ribbon, and then we have to click the table command, which is right here, and then that opens up a new table for us. So in the ribbon, we need to click the short text command button to add a text field. So that's going to be this one right here. So we click on that, and then the next thing we have to do is type in vendor name in the field. Whoops. Alright, so we got vendor name in there, so you just type it in and press enter, and then that automatically moves the cursor over to the next field right here. So then in the add and delete group in the ribbon, so we want to click in the add and delete group, which is this group right here. We want to click on the more fields button, which is this one right here. So we click on the little arrow, and then it brings down the drop down menu. And we're going to scroll to the bottom of the list, and we want to click on the quick start fields. Right here, the quick start. So these are all the quick start fields. We want to click on address. And we're going to add 5 address related fields to this table. Alright, so now we want to save this as vendors2. So we're going to type in vendors2 and then click OK. So now we got it saved. So then the next step that we're going to be doing is switching to design view. So down here in the right hand corner, we're on the data sheet view. So now we click on the other one, and it brings us over to design view. Another way that you can do that is by clicking up here on top. You can switch between data sheet view and design view up on the top also. Alright, so double click the ID in the field name column in the first row. So right there, it's already highlighted for us. So we're renaming that vendor ID, and then press enter. So now we want to click the vendor name row, and you click on the little gray box to the left of the row, and that highlights the whole row. And so we're looking at the field size should be set to 50. So we're going to change that to 50. Next, we're going to click the address row, and the field size for this is 255. So you can leave it or customize it. We're going to leave it for this exercise. And then the last step is to save the changes. So we hit the save button up in the upper left hand corner, and we're all done with that exercise.